Hello and welcome to KSG India Explainer. The topic of the video is SMART successfully tested. India successfully flight tested the supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo SMART from Wheeler Island off the coast of Odisha on 5th October 2020. All mission objectives including missile flight up to the range and altitude, separation of the nose cone, the release of torpedo and development of velocity reduction mechanism VRM were met perfectly in the flight test. Now understand in the details. The DRDO has successfully flight tested the supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo SMART. This will be a major technology breakthrough for standoff capability in anti-submarine warfare. SMART is a missile assisted release of lightweight anti-submarine torpedo system for anti-submarine warfare operations for far beyond torpedo range. This launch and demonstration are significant in establishing ASW capabilities. The events of today were monitored by the tracking stations, radars, electro-optical systems along the coast and the telemetry station including downrange ships. The number of DRDO laboratories including DRDL, RCIO Hyderabad, ADRDE Agra, NSTL Vishakhapatnam have developed the technologies required for SMART. The flight testing of SMART follows the successful test firing on 3rd October 2020 of its indigenously developed nuclear-capable hypersonic missile Shaurya with a strike range of around 1000 km from the test range. Earlier this month, DRDO had successfully tested laser-guided anti-tank guided missile. The test was conducted from MBT Arjun at KK Ranges ACCNS Ahmednagar in continuation with the successful trial done on 22nd September 2020. That is it in this video. We hope you've learned a lot. Stay tuned to ksgindia.com. Thank you.